Hello everyone, Steve Pollock here with Banyan Hills Technologies. In this video, we're going to walk through some of the options for customization and branding that you have available in Canopy. I'm on the operations page right now, but to get to some of the settings for customization and branding, you'll come up here to this little gear icon, click on it, and then come down here to Settings. Press Settings, and you're presented with several options for branding and customizing the way that Canopy appears. As you see here on the branding page, I can change the header logo. That's the logo that would appear up here in the corner. I could choose a file and then save over here. I can change the favicon, the browser title. If I want to change the brand color, I do that here. And then there's a secondary brand color that shows up in other parts of the application. I can change that here. If I want to change the date format from year, month, day to month, day, year, or day, month, year, I can do that here. Also, if you wanted to change it to 12-hour or 24-hour time format, you can make that change here as well. In the graph section, right now I have it set to show horizontal axis, show vertical axis, and show fill area. That corresponds to some of the graphs, and I'm going to show you an example here. If on this second row, I see here at 82% for hardware availability, you can see here that the graph has horizontal dates going across the bottom, and then vertically percentages. If I wanted to remove those axes for some reason, I would do that here and then press save. And then if I refresh this page, and then I come back to this same graph, you'll see here the horizontal axis and the vertical axis is now gone. The fill area is the third option to change here in the way that the graphs appear. If I wanted to turn this off and hit save, you'll see the change here. Right now this is what it looks like when it is filled in. When I close out, refresh, and then I come back, you'll see that now this is just a line and the graph itself is no longer filled in on the bottom. You can also play around with the column widths, default width in the grids that we display, make it a standard fit or best fit, show location time. This indicates whether or not you want the times of the location that you are monitoring or whether you want to keep the time as your local time. Lastly, you can change the labels. So for instance, if you don't want to call customers, you want to call them something else, you can make those changes here. If there's danger, dashboard, devices, etc., all of that is located here. You would just make a change. If for some reason I wanted to call them customers, and then you would hit save. I'm not actually going to save that, but I just wanted to point it out to you. Okay, that's all for this video. See you in the next one.